So my Xbox One apparently has that grinding issue that a lot of people have been complaining about regarding the drives. As you can see, I put in a game. So as I did some research, apparently there's a simple fix, caveman style, on how to get this fixed. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take out the plug in the back. And then on a hard surface, maybe you want to put something down for your Xbox. And what you're going to do is you're going to flip it upside down. And right where the drive is, what you want to do is you want to go right above it and give it a couple hard whacks. Then what we're going to do is we're going to flip it back. Plug it in. Go ahead and power it on. And put it in. And we still got some clicking, so we'll try it again. Flip it back. Plug it in. And voila, no grinding. Go ahead and take it out. Plug it back in. No grinding, guys. Simple fix. Caveman style. I still recommend that you do pick up another Xbox One though, just because this is just a temporary fix. We don't know how long this is gonna last like this, but caveman style apparently saves the day. Thanks for watching.